Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Smith Station local and long-distance movers near me. Hiring a dependable and cheap Smith Station moving company is necessary for both local and long-distance moves. 3 Movers offers the right choice for your needs. We provide professional movers that will help you get to where you need to go fast. Our team has helped many people move their homes, businesses, apartments, dorm rooms, furniture, equipment, and more. We provide plenty of extras with your long-distance moving service if you want an even better move, including packing services. Get the most convenient move with our full packing and unpacking services. Moving supplies. You can get all the best moving supplies and packing materials from us. An on-time move. Movers from us always show up at the scheduled time ready to work. We don't delay you on moving day. Upfront pricing. A quote from us gives you the transparent pricing you need for your upcoming move. Licensed and insured. Your belongings are fully protected when you choose to move with our team. We make moving 100 miles, 1,000 miles, or even further much easier. It's a hassle and a stressful ordeal to move, even just one city over. Our team will make your relocation much easier by giving you the help you truly need. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Smith Station moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.